Looking for top-rated jet ski dock services at Chickamauga Lake? TN Econo Lifts provides premium docking solutions to keep your personal watercraft safe, secure, and always ready for the water. Our floating jet ski lifts make docking effortless while protecting your PWC from waves, dock damage, and algae buildup. Enjoy smooth launching and docking with a system that adjusts with water levels, ensuring stability in any conditions. Need a new jet ski dock? We offer Wave Armor floating docks and jet ski ports for the ultimate in durability and convenience. Already have a lift? Our team provides expert maintenance and repairs to keep your system in peak condition. We proudly serve Chickamauga Lake and surrounding areas, delivering quality craftsmanship and professional service. With affordable pricing and top-tier docking solutions, TN Econo Lifts is your go-to provider for jet ski dock services. Call 615-278-8219 today for a free consultation. Visit us at https://middletoneconolifts.com. TN Econo Lifts, the top-rated choice for jet ski dock services at Chickamauga Lake.